Software testing and quality assurance. This subject basically talks about testing. What is testing? How can we find different bugs? How can we remove them? So our syllabus is basically divided into 6 modules. Module 1 is testing methodology, and module 1 talks about what are the different goals of software testing, what are the different definitions available for it, what is exhaustive system testing, what is software testing life cycle, verification, validation, etc. Module 2 talks about basic testing techniques starting from white box to the black box testing techniques. You must have studied some of the part in software engineering, but here we are going to study this in detail. Here we are going to study the techniques which fall under these categories. So we are going to start from boundary value analysis to the equivalence class partitioning. Then we are going to see different white box testing techniques such as basis path testing, various loop testing, and so on. We are also going to see validation activities, regression testing, and so on. Module 3 talks about how can we manage the test process, that is how to design a test case so that whether this test case will pass the testing or it is going to fail. How can we have a good test suite of these test cases? What could be the good number of the test cases to form a test suite, and various other things. This was about the manual testing. Module 4 talks about how can we automate the testing process. So what are the different tools which are available in the market that are used to find out the bugs. Here we are going to study the different tools such as Jira, Bugzilla, IBM Rational Functional Tester, Selenium, and so on. So all case studies are here. Module 5 talks about how can we perform testing in the specialized environment such as when we have agile testing. What is agile testing life cycle? How can we test in agile methodology? So what are the different phases, scrum phases that we are going to see? How can the testing can be performed with the web-based systems, with the object-oriented systems, and so on. Module 5 then talks about quality management. Quality management calls quality factors. What are the different criteria for it? ISO 9126 quality characteristics, and how can we use testing to improve the quality? We have sums on module 2 based on the testing techniques. Theory paper will be of the 80 marks, out of which we can expect 55 to 60 marks theory and rest 20 to 25 marks sums. This is the good subject to opt for because we have all the material available on the net as well as books are also available. So I will argue that all of you please opt for the subject. Thank you.